Hi everyone. Today's topic is liquefaction process. Liquefied gases are used in different applications. For example, liquid propane in cylinders, liquid oxygen in rockets, natural gas for ocean transport, liquid nitrogen for low temperature refrigeration. Liquefaction occurs when a gas is cooled to a temperature in the two-phase region. So you have to take a gas and it's cooled to a temperature, particular temperature in the two-phase region. Then the gas is liquefied. So this is done in different ways. By heat exchange at constant pressure, by expansion in a turbine from which the work is obtained, and by a throttling process. We have two kinds of liquefaction systems. One is the Linde liquefaction process. The second one is the Claude liquefaction process. We see that in detail about these two processes. First process is Linde process. This is the simplest kind of liquefaction system. So gas enters into the compressor where compression takes place. So you can see in this diagram, so the gas intake, so gas enters into the compressor where the compression takes place. Then it is entered into the pre-cooler. So after compression, the gas is pre-cooled to ambient temperature. Then it is further cooled to by the process of refrigeration. That means from the pre-cooler, it enters into the cooler and then it enters into the throttle valve. From there, the gas is liquefied and then it enters into the separator where the liquid is separated and the remaining gas is recycled back to the compressor. So in this way, the gas is liquefied by the Linde liquefaction process. Here we will be using throttle valve for the expansion. So here, the lower the temperature of the gas entering the throttle valve, the greater is the fraction of gas that is liquefied. So for this, we write the equations as under steady state conditions, the energy balance around the separator, valve and cooler gives the equation as delta of m dot h fs is equal to 0 or h6z plus h8 into 1 minus z8 z is equal to h3. So here enthalpies are for unit mass of fluid at different positions indicated in the figure and Z is the fraction of the gas that is liquefied. So you can see different points in this represented by the numbers. So at different points we take the enthalpies and based on those enthalpies we evaluate the equation. So we evaluate the energy balance and then we evaluate the required fraction of gas that is liquefied. So from this we can calculate the value of Z. The second process is Claude liquefaction process. So here also the process is same. So the gas enters into the compressor where the compression takes place. Then after compression, the gas is pre-cooled at ambient temperature. Again, it is further cooled by the refrigeration process and then it enters into the expansion engine. That is we use a turbine or expansion engine for the liquefaction process. So it's converted into liquid and then it is separated in a separator where you get the liquid and the remaining gas is recycled back to the compressor. So here expansion engine or turbine replaces the throttle valve. So in Linde liquefaction process we have used the throttle valve. In Claude liquefaction process we use expansion engine or turbine. So the energy balance at different points is represented for this process as H6Z plus H8 into 1 minus Z minus Ws, which is equal to H3. So Ws is the work of expansion engine on the basis of unit mass of fluid entering the cooler at point 3. So you can see here at point 3 which is entering to the cooler. So here that is the work done, that is our work of expansion engine Ws. So if the expansion engine operates adiabatically, then the work is given by Ws is equal to H5 minus H4. So in this way, we can represent the equations for the Claudel liquefaction process. So these are the two liquefaction processes. One is the Linde liquefaction process, another one is the Claudel liquefaction process. So both the process are same, only we are using different equipments for the expansion. One is the throttle valve, another one is the expansion engine or turbine. So if you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you very much.